If ARC Raiders shows an Unreal process has crashed, UE-PioneerGame, don't worry. This error usually happens because of corrupted game files, driver conflicts, or background apps interfering with the Unreal Engine. Let's fix it step by step. First, restart your PC. This clears temporary memory and background process issues that can trigger crashes. Next, verify or repair game files. If you're using Steam, right-click ARC Raiders, Properties, Installed Files. Verify integrity of game files. Corrupted or missing files often cause UE crashes. Now, update your graphics drivers. Install the latest NVIDIA or AMD drivers from the official website. Outdated drivers are a very common cause of Unreal Engine crashes. After that, disable overlays and background apps. Turn off Discord overlay, Steam overlay, MSI Afterburner, and other monitoring tools. These can interfere with game processes. Also, run the game as administrator. Right-click the ARC Raiders executable and choose Run as Administrator to avoid permission issues. If the error continues, check System RAM and VRAM usage. Close memory-heavy apps or restart your PC to free resources. Finally, update Windows fully and restart. In most cases, repairing game files and updating drivers resolves the UE-PioneerGame crash.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.